Hi, I'm Alicia Manning, your Tupperware Kitchen Solution Specialist, and today I want to share with you about our Deluxe Demo Kit. It comes with all of these great products, and let's start with our Vent and Serve and our Crystal Wave. Both of these are great for portion control, lunch on the go, and reheating leftovers. And then we also have Freezer Mates Plus that is excellent for freezing fresh meat, fish, fruits, vegetables with no freezer burn. Next, we have our Modular Mates containers. This is our #1 organization system that will help you save time, space, money, and waste. And did you know that you can make a 3-minute omelet, breakfast sandwiches, or poached eggs in our breakfast maker? It also is the perfect size for brownies and cakes. Next up, you can ditch the disposables and protect the environment with our Eco Plus water bottle, our Eco Plus to-go cup, and our Eco Plus reusable straw. Now, all of your meal prepping is made easy with our impressions bowls, our That's a Bowl, our spatula, our measuring cups and spoons. And we have the only set that includes the 1/8 measurement, the 2/3 cup, and the 3/4 cup. Our supersonic chopper system replaces your food processor. You can blend, chop, mix, and emulsify, and it's excellent for those big jobs in the kitchen. Now, the motor on the supersonic extra fits onto the supersonic compact chopper, which can practically replace your kitchen knife for small jobs. And to finish off, we have Tupperware's microfiber towels that make cleaning your kitchen so easy. Now, the cost of our Deluxe Demo Kit is just $119 for this nearly $400 collection. Now, if you don't want to purchase a kit, but you still want to open your account with Tupperware, you can get started with our virtual opportunity for just $15. And both the Deluxe Demo Kit and the $15 virtual sign up come with a free 3-month website subscription to support your online business. So you may be thinking, why Tupperware? Why now? Opening up an account with Tupperware gives you a 25% commission on every piece of Tupperware that you sell, or a 25% discount on your own purchases. And you also have the opportunity to add $1,800 worth of premium products to your kitchen absolutely free through our Confident Start program. So in addition to the great benefits that Tupperware provides, when you join our Dreams in Action Tupperware team, you get a wonderful Facebook community that's filled with training, support, recognition, and prizes. Now, want to hold some Facebook parties? We have great digital resources and help for you. And we also have a virtual event every month for you to invite your guests and your friends to for cooking, fun, and demos. So we would love for you to join us. You can come in and enjoy your discount. You can make a little extra money in Tupperware, or you can make big money. The choice is yours, and we would love to help you open your Tupperware account today. Bye, y'all.